Hello everyone, I am Venkat, ServiceNow developer at Palni INC, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a complete end-to-end test suite using ServiceNow Automated Test Framework with a simple real-time business scenario. Let's imagine a situation in an IT company where whenever a user raises an incident for a laptop issue, the system should save the record successfully and automatically generate an incident number. Instead of manually verifying this process every time, we can automate the entire validation using ATF, which helps ensure that the workflow is working as expected. Now in this video, we will complete the entire process in three major parts. First one is creating test and adding test steps, and finally creating a and running a test suite. Before going to start, let's discuss what is test, what is test step, and what is test suite. Coming to the test. Test is a defined set of steps that automatically verifies whether a specific functionality in the system is working as expected. And coming to the test step, a test step is a single action performed within a test. And finally, what is test suite? A test suite is a collection of multiple tests grouped together and executed at once. Now coming to the steps. First of all, we have to create ATF tests. Navigate to Automated Test Framework tests. Click on New to create a new test. Now provide the details, name as E2E incident creation. Click on Submit. And step 2, add test steps. Open the test and navigate to related list and click on Add Test Step. A section will be opened which is called as category section. Select the form, click on open a new form. After that, select the table as incident. Click on submit. This indicates that an user opening a fresh incident forms and add another test step in category. Select set field values. Fill the details as short description, laptop issue, and caller, able tutor, and submit. Now we add a new test step. In category, select the submit the form. Now the record is saved into the system. Here we can add another test step is validate incident creation and add test step as field validation. Here field is number and the condition is number is not empty. This ensures the incident is successfully created. This is the main step. Create a test suite. Now navigate to Automated Test Framework suites. Click on New. Fill the name as E2E Incident suite. Click submit. Add test to test suite. Now open the test suite that we created. Once the test suite is open, navigate to test section. Click on the edit button. Here you will see the list of available tests. Simply select your test and move it to the selected section. After adding the test, click on save to update the suite. Click on the run button to execute the entire test suite and verify the results. Here we did that ATF will automatically. Now let's see. Now let's move on to executing the test scenario. First, the system will open the form where we need to create the record. Next, we will enter all the required values into respective fields. Once the data is filled in, we will submit the record. After submission, the system will automatically generate an instant number, which we validate to ensure it is created correctly. Finally, we will verify all the entered data to make sure everything is saved as expected. Here is the final output. Incident gets created, incident number is generated, and test results shown as passed. This is called end-to-end testing because we validate the complete workflow. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.